What if you could spin up a smart chatbot for your website to handle customer queries, generate leads, or even act as a sales assistant in less than 10 minutes without writing a single line of code? That's exactly what Retune promises, and today we'll see whether it delivers. Retune is a no-code platform that lets you create, train, and deploy custom AI chatbots. It's designed for businesses, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and anyone who needs an AI-powered assistant on their site without needing deep technical skills. With Retune, you can turn prompts into bots, feed bots your own data, fine-tune behavior, and embed the chatbot via API or widget. It's built to help with customer support, lead generation, knowledge-based delivery, or automating repetitive question and answer tasks. On Product Hunt, Retune holds a 4.8 out of 5 stars rating based on 6 reviews. Users frequently praise how fast and easy it is to set up a functional chatbot. Many say they had a fully trained and deployed chatbot within 10 minutes. Reviewers also appreciate Retune's flexibility, the ability to train bots on custom data, control prompts, customize tone, and integrate into websites or workflows. On the flip side, a few users note that advanced features are still limited on the roadmap. Retune is seen as a powerful way to build chatbots quickly and cheaply, especially good for solo entrepreneurs, small businesses, or anyone testing AI power for their site. Now let's dive into the core features one by one. First, let's talk about creating a new chatbot. With Retune, setting up a new AI chat is simple. You begin by clicking Create a New Chat. You'll see 2 fields, name and description. In name, you got to write what you want your bot to be called, for example, Mailbot. And then in description, you got to give a short explanation of what the bot does, for example, a mailing bot that replies to customers. After filling these in, click Create Chat. Your new chat now appears in the sidebar, and you can make more by clicking plus Create Chat. So here you got to click on your chatbot, and every chat comes with a base prompt, which acts like the bot's internal rules. It explains how the bot should answer, give accurate factual responses, think step by step, and explain reasoning, provide background context when useful, be clear and not overly long. Say I do not know when information is missing, stay on topic, and refuse unrelated questions, only use information from context, and never invent URLs. These rules keep the bot consistent and predictable. You can edit this prompt anytime to adjust how the bot behaves. If you don't want to write your own system prompt, Retune offers an auto prompt button. Clicking it instantly generates a complete structured base prompt for you. Once your bot is created, you can get ready to use API endpoints. These let you connect your bot to any product, app, or workflow. So these endpoints make it easy to use your bot programmatically. So that was the feature of creating a new chatbot. Now let's talk about Playground. The Playground in Retune is where you can test and experiment with your bot's behavior before connecting it anywhere. At the top of the Playground, you'll see a system section. This is a short instruction that defines how the assistant should behave. For example, act as a helpful assistant to a user. This message guides the bot's overall personality and response style. And below that, you can run a full conversation to see how the model responds. For example, user says, "Hello, who are you?" The assistant says, "I am an AI assistant." User says, "What is your name?" This helps you adjust prompts, behaviors, or tone until the bot sounds exactly how you want. So that was the Playground feature. Now let's talk about the Shopify integration. So once your bot is created, you can head over to Publish and you can copy the script over here. Then go to Shopify, click on Themes. After that, you got to click on these 3 dots and click on Edit Code. Once you're on this section, you got to click on Layout, click on Theme Liquid, and paste your script over here. By connecting your Retune bot to Shopify, you can answer customer questions, guide purchases, and provide 24/7 support, boosting sales and reducing workload. It personalizes shopping and handles common queries automatically. So now the question is who it's for. Retune is especially useful for small businesses and e-commerce stores, freelancers, creators, and solopreneurs, marketers, and agencies. Content-heavy sites are knowledge bases, startups, and side projects. If you're someone who wants an affordable, quick, customizable AI chatbot, Retune is a solid choice. But since not always perfect, there's some areas that could be improved, such as some advanced integrations are still limited or on roadmap. For larger or complex bots, the UI and setup might feel a bit basic. Documentation and support could be improved. More flexibility needed in multi-language support, customization, and deeper integrations for heavy users. Retune does offer an API for developers. You can integrate bots directly into websites or apps. Because of the bot data training, deployment, lead capture, and API, Retune allows serious users to build, own, monetize bot-based services or lead generation systems. For anyone who needs a customizable, no-code chatbot, whether for business, marketing, support, lead generation, or personal projects, Retune offers very high value for time and cost. It's quick to set up, flexible and powerful enough to handle real use cases. Yes, it's not perfect. Some advanced features are still maturing and documentation support could be better. But for small businesses, freelancers and creators on a budget, Retune is a smart way to get AI chatbots working fast. If you want to try this tool out, I have included the link in the description below. And with that, that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hefty reviews. I'll see you in the next video.